Embroidery, the timeless craft of decorating fabrics with needle and thread, has been cherished for generations. This art form has transcended time, adapting to the changing environments. In today's world, the union of embroidery with modern technology has revolutionized the way we bring these beautiful designs to life. High-tech machinery, like the Beruden embroidery machine, has allowed this craft to flourish in ways that our ancestors could hardly imagine. Founded in the land of the rising sun, Japan, in the year of 1959, Beruden has established itself as a pioneer in the embroidery industry. For decades, this company has been synonymous with innovation, offering machines that combine reliability and speed with unmatched precision. These features have earned Beruden machines widespread acclaim, with businesses across the globe opting for them to produce high-quality embroidered goods efficiently. Nestled within Beruden's advanced technology lies the DSB file format. This proprietary file format is the brain and soul of every design it holds, providing the necessary instructions for the embroidery machine. Envision a blueprint that outlines the entire stitching process, which colors to select, the sequence of stitching, and pinpoint locations for each needle entry and exit. This digital blueprint, the DSB file, is meticulously archived in a binary language comprising ones and zeros, a language that these intelligent machines comprehend flawlessly. The DSB format stands tall amongst its peers due to a plethora of advantages. Primarily, its binary nature allows the machines to whisk through the design data promptly, resulting in a remarkably swift stitching process. This efficiency is not just impressive but also invaluable in a bustling production environment where time is as precious as the threads themselves. Furthermore, the precision embedded within the DSB format is commendable. By defining the exact coordinates of each stitch, the machine meticulously replicates the envisioned design with astounding accuracy. This precision is crucial for complex patterns, brimming with fine details that demand near-perfect execution. The DSB file enables the creation of designs characterized by crisp edges and intricate details that truly stand out. As time marches on, the DSB format faces competition from other file types designed by various manufacturers to suit their own machines. Examples like the Tajima DSD format and the Brother Pest format have gained traction in the embroidery community. The proprietary nature of the DSB file has limited its universal application, confining its use to those who own Beruden equipment. Nonetheless, for Beruden machine aficionados, the DSB format remains indispensable. It is the key to unlocking speedy and precise embroidery that rises to the occasion in a demanding production landscape. Moreover, Beruden's dedication to its proprietary format means that users benefit from specialized support and troubleshooting, ensuring smooth machine operation and exceptional end products. In summary, the DSB embroidery format is at the heart of Beruden machines, distinguished by its rapid processing and precision stitching. Although its prevalence has seen fluctuations, its significance to Beruden's clientele is palpable. The DSB format has carved out its niche and continues to be a vital component in the realm of embroidery, promising to leave its mark for many years ahead. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.